Hello my dear children, welcome back. How are you all? Good? Okay. Did you remember your previous topics? So I will ask you some questions. You have to say the correct answer. Okay? Name the diseases which spread through housefly. What is the answer? Yes, dysentery and cholera. Next question is, name the diseases which spread through rats' excreta. What is the answer? Yes, rat fever and plague. Okay, shall we move on to our today's section? Have you heard about dry day? Okay, teacher will tell you. We all know that mosquitoes lay eggs in stagnant water. Mainly, mosquitoes lay eggs in coconut shells, in tires, buckets, and the unwanted vessels that be thrown into the surroundings. And the mosquitoes hatch out from the egg and become into a fully grown mosquito within 8 days. So, what we have to do? Yes, we have to drain the water accumulating in coconut shell, tires and in unwanted vessels once in 7 days. Thus, we can avoid the multiplication of mosquitoes. So, this activity is known as dry day. We know that mosquitoes lay eggs even in a single drop of stagnant water. So we have to clean our surroundings and to avoid the multiplication of mosquitoes. Okay children, did you understand about dry day? Shall we move on to our next topic? In our previous classes, we discussed about some diseases which spread by certain creatures. So now we are going to discussing about the diseases which spread through water. Diseases may also spread through water if we drink impure water and dirty water from our surroundings. And diseases like dysentery, diarrhea, jaundice, cholera and typhoid may spread through dirty water. Once more, which are the diseases which spread through dirty water? All of you say along with me. Yes, dysentery, diarrhea, jaundice, cholera and typhoid. How we can prevent these diseases? Yes, by following certain conditions, we can prevent the diseases which spread through dirty water. First, we have to use pure water or boiled water for drinking. What is the next condition? Yes, never allow dirty water to stagnate. What is the third one? Yes, do not take drinks kept open or stale. Stale drinks means the drinks that is stored for a long period of time. If we store drinks for a longer period of time, bacteria may arise in the drinks. And if we take such drinks, it may cause several diseases. So, we don't take drinks kept open or stale. What is the last one? Yes, ensure that sources of drinking water are pure. That means we have to drink only pure water. Okay children, did you understand? Okay, now it's time for winding up. Thank you.